In this video, we're going to talk about prime factorizations of natural numbers. A natural number can be thought of as a counting number, 1, 2, 3, and so forth. A prime number is a natural number that has exactly two factors, the number itself and 1. The first several primes are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, etc., etc. If a natural number other than 1 is not prime, then we call it composite. Every composite number can be factored into a product of prime numbers. Such a factorization is called the prime factorization of that composite number. Let's do some examples. Let's find the prime factorization of 50. To find the prime factorization of any number, start with our list of prime numbers. There's 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are some of the first few primes. So let's start with 2. 50 can be written as a product of 2 and 25. Now 25 cannot be divided by 2, cannot be divided by 3, but it can be divided by 5. So we're going to write 25 as a product of 5 and 5. So the prime factorization of 50 is 2 times 5 times 5. And let's verify 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 5 is 50. Here's another example. Let's find the prime factorization of 72. Once again, our first few primes are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. So let's take 72 and write this as 2 and 36. 36, we can write that as a product of 2 and 18. 18, we can write that as a product of 2 and 9. Now, 2 doesn't go into 9, but 3 does. So 9, we can write that as a product of 3 times 3 and 3. So the prime factorization of 72 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Let's look at another example. Let's find the prime factorization of 108. So 108, I can see that 2 goes into 108. I will split this up as a product of 2 and 54. Once again, 2 goes into 54. I will break this up as a product of 2 and 27. Now 2 does not go into 27, but 3 does. So 27, I'll write this as a product of 3 and 9. And 9, I'll write that as a product of 3 and 3. So the prime factorization of 108 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3.